the Doll, and these are my friends Jellybean and Soccer. Hi, I'm Jellybean the Doll.
Hi, I'm Soccer the Doll.
And welcome to Jolie and Friends. Today on Jolie and Friends, we are going to talk about friends. Do you know what a friend is? A friend is someone you felt close to.
And is a person that is there for you and can be easily to talk to.
That's right. They are the person that you felt close to, can be there for you, and can be easily talked to. How do you make friends? You can make friends by being nice to people.
Or by helping others out.
And show others what a good person you are. That's right. That's how you make friends. Do you spend time with your friends? I spend time with my friends by doing homework together.
By playing games together.
By playing with toys together.
By playing at the playground together.
By watching a movie together.
By reading a book together.
By eating lunch together.
By cleaning up together.
By making some artwork together.
By working on a school project together.
And many more fun activities that you can do with your friends. Know that friends can be your family and family can be your friends. You might have family friends that are your family members' friends. Do you know your friends? Yes, we do.
For we know how to make friends and spend time with them.
Make sure that you make friends with good people.
For good people can change your life forever.
But you must never make friends with bad people.
For bad people do anything to hurt you.
And if a friend encourages you to do something wrong or even do something that is hurtful to you,
then that person is not your friend. But just be careful for what friends you make.
For that person is a bad person. Just find a really good person to be your friend.
So that you can be happy.
What did you learn today?